The future world is a green, clean, and sustainable energy world. The future life is a digital life of technology, intelligence, and Internet of Everything. We are committed to making energy efficient, safe, green, and sustainable, making the future life smartly connected, and making the best at our fingertips. We are East, a global expert in power electronics technology and energy efficiency management. Wherever life extends, energy is everywhere. Let energy learn to think. Let energy interconnected. And let everyone become the creator, the beneficiary, and the mediator of green energy. East uses big data to enable green energy, endows data with perception, makes the city more intelligent, and with the strategic positioning of Intelligent City and Intelligent Energy System Solution to achieve the future world. East Data Center Solution, the strongest brain of smart cities, which provides data storage, management, transmission, and operation services, is an important infrastructure for the development of 5G, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, promoting the successful transformation of various industries to digitization, information, and intelligence. East City Charging Operation Solution, in line with the general trend of the development of new energy vehicles in the world, has built an online interconnection system of people, vehicles, and piles so as to add power to the development of urban intelligent transportation and escort the green intelligent travel. East Energy Storage System Solution, with peak regulation and frequency modulation, peak load shifting, storage of green energy, huff and puff of electric energy to achieve the best economic and social benefits of electric power. Combine new energy power generation, energy storage, new energy vehicle charging with operational cloud, and energy management cloud. Create integrated energy solutions with solar, energy storage, and charging stations so as to make green energy cycle infinitely, so that every breath and rhythm of electricity are more green, energy-saving, environmental friendly. East Rail Transit Power Supply Solution provides leading digital, intelligent products, solutions, and services for the global rail transit industry of high-speed rail, subway, maglev, and so on, to help China's business card shine more brightly on the world stage. The demand for clean energy is increasing day by day, and the yearning for a better life has been handed down from generation to generation. To this end, we adhere to technological innovation and scientific research investment. 30 years of search with unbending will. 30 years of forging ahead. We continuously strive for energy intelligence and urban intelligence. We are East, a global expert in the power electronics technology and energy efficiency management. Embrace innovation. Energize the future. achieve win-win global energy revolution, take care of human good life. East, to convey Chinese energy to the world.